Hello, I'm Nathan Hamiel, Senior Director of Research for Kudelski Security. When you think of AI coding tools, you think of coding assistants where developers get recommendations for code, it happens in their IDE, things like that. But really what's happening is development has kind of moved beyond that. So you have things like code review tools that operate outside the IDE. They interact with things like GitHub and GitLab. They're doing things like reviewing pull requests and making code changes and writing documentation, all the fun stuff that developers often don't like to do. So they're assisting in that front. However, they're powered by the same generative AI tools that are used across the board, and that means they're open to attacks. And when people implement these things, quite often they're outsourcing functional components of their applications to LLMs. It means they're like black boxes. And what ends up happening is they're making requests for calls for code. That code is being returned and executed inside the application. So an attacker can get data into the flow and conduct things like remote code execution attacks against these tools. RCE-as-a-Service, that's just how some of them work.